Everyone says, just add AI and automate everything. But nobody tells you why most of those automations quietly die 3 months later. If you're trying to use AI to save time in your business, watch this before you build one more fancy workflow. On Reddit, builders keep admitting the same mistake. They spend weeks wiring up complex AI agents, when a stupidly simple first automation would have delivered 80% of the value. Their first automation should have taken 10 minutes, not 10 hours, but they got lost trying to automate everything at once instead of shipping one tiny win. So the calendar still looked busy. Everyone said they were doing AI, but actual hours saved were basically zero. The people who actually stuck with AI automation started stupidly simple. One trigger, one outcome, one workflow that clearly saves time for a real person. The most effective examples are boring on purpose. A new lead comes in, AI cleans the data, and drops a ready-to-send draft email or Slack message where the team already lives. The rule is simple. Prove you can save 30 minutes a day for one team, then iterate, instead of trying to automate the whole company on day one. One automation consultant shared that after months selling AI automations, they realized most failed because users refused to log into yet another system. A client paid thousands for an AI customer support bot, but customers slammed the talk to a human option within 30 seconds every single time. In another case, they built a beautiful inventory dashboard for a restaurant, and the staff still ran everything with group texts and sticky notes, then quietly went back to the old way. The automations that survived all had the same traits. They ran inside tools people already used, returned results in familiar formats, and didn't require new logins or interfaces. Instead of forcing a brand new app onto busy teams, the smart move is to embed AI into the platforms and workflows they already trust: their CRM, help desk, spreadsheets, and chat. A simple test before you build is this: if this requires checking a new system every day, will you actually use it? If the honest answer is no, redesign the automation. Most workflow automation doesn't fail because the model is bad. It fails because the data is incomplete, inconsistent, or trapped in silos. Marketing is in one tool, operations is in another, sales lives in random spreadsheets, and AI is expected to magically orchestrate workflows across that chaos. That's why so many people end up using AI just to summarize emails or draft copy, while real end-to-end automation keeps stalling. Experienced teams solve one slice of the data problem at a time, standardize fields, clean inputs, and create reliable handoffs between a few core systems before layering on heavy AI logic. They design human-in-the-loop flows. AI proposes, humans review and approve inside their normal tools, so trust builds gradually instead of betting everything on a fully autonomous agent on day one. And they set expectations correctly. Real AI automation is hard. Hype projects are common, but focused, well-integrated workflows can quietly deliver huge ROI. So if AI automation feels disappointing, it's probably not because AI doesn't work. It's because the project is too big, the users are ignored, or the data is a mess. Start with one 10-minute win. Build it where people already work, and make sure the data and handoffs are rock solid. Then watch how fast those small automations compound into real leverage. Save this and send it to the person in your team who keeps saying, "We need more AI," and tell them this is how to do it without burning another 3 months on hype.